Hi there, we're here with A. Goodman & Son today. We're here just to have a little catch up with them to see how they've been getting on with their new vehicles. They purchased from us an AJK hook loader and skip loader, and we're just going to spend the day getting some feedback from them and some footage.
My name's Stefano. I work for Goodman & Son in Bletchley. I've only been here a couple of months, so I'm fairly new to the company. The sheet system's pretty good. That's different. You've got the two bars that pin it down together. So I thought that was quite a good idea. Spot on, does the job well. Wouldn't change anything on it, to be honest. It's good.
My name's Ian, and I've been working at Goodman's for 20 years. We've got the remote control on the sheeter, which is now a lot of times I can actually do it from the cab. The stuff sticking over, you have to get out of the cab and do it, but it's very quick. The sheet's very quick, it's very good. The low's level, I can sit in that cab and just press the button and the sheet will go over, and I know what you know, no hassle now. No problems. It's a very good system.
Yeah, my name's Dan. I'm the transport manager for A. Goodman & Son and J.E. Goodman Limited in Milton Keynes. We're a small family business. Got 4 lorries, do waste recycling, waste management, but the majority of our business is scrap metal recycling. 4 vehicles on the road, 2 rolling offs, 2 skips, covering warehouses, building sites, residential properties. Our 2 newest lorries have got the RVS lifting gear on them. We only had them about 2-3 months. So far so good, no issues, nice and reliable, great service. Demo, run through, showed our drivers exactly how to use them. Any aftercare issues we've had, they've sorted out straight away. But yeah, overall it's been a great service.